between my fingers. It's fading every day. I'm trying to find my purpose, but it's hard to see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's just a memory. Yeah. I was driving too fast, lost control, then I crashed, hit the curb as a car flipped over.